Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Sales Management Solutions. And today I'm going live to discuss some really cool custom solutions that we do for Ultravation. What really Ultravation does for us in the HVAC industry. So I'm just getting some things queued up here on the screen for you guys. But one of the biggest things we love about Ultravation is that they're based in Vermont, made in the USA company, primarily focused on indoor air quality. They also work on water quality as well. But outside of UV solutions for ultraviolet light and ionization technology, both residentially and commercially, they actually are a leader in filtration solutions. So a lot of their filtration solutions are called progressive media, MERV 11 and MERV 13 class air quality 5-inch pleated filters. And in order to work with their filtration, you should really have what's called a filter box or a media box installed on your HVAC ducted equipment. So whether you're working with a straight through box or a right angle box or a large support box to support the HVAC equipment, Ultravation makes that. So, and actually for your benefit, I'll screen share right now. So here is Ultravation's private labeled media. Again, this is an example of a straight through, two different versions on top there. The bottom here, these are support boxes. But again, the purpose of today's video is paint codes. So yes, we have MERV 11, MERV 13. Yes, our straight throughs, you can get them in 20-inch by 25-inch, 20-inch by 20-inch, 16 by 25. Those are very common sizes, right? But the big thing that I love is you notice how they're all different colors. Okay, why are they different colors? Well, the purpose of today's video is paint codes. So these are examples of different paint codes that they can use. Now, this is actually the same heavy-duty sheet metal that they're building our filter boxes out of. So powder coat white is the standard white that you can get from Ultravation. That's a standard color for the boxes. But we have all these other codes. We got P20, this gray here, P15. You notice that's not a gray, more of like a tannish brown or maybe a champagne. P09, a different color gray. P07, a lighter gray. P06, another more of a brownish gray. I can't even tell anymore. And then P04. So why do these paint codes matter? Well, per my checklist, it's about matching them to the manufacturer of the HVAC equipment. That way, when the contractor installs the equipment, the filter box that they're using matches the entire branding. It's great for the contractor for a great consistent look and feel in the install. It's great for the wholesaler who distributes our products with the equipment. So that way they can actually have these filter boxes custom matched to the brand of equipment of the manufacturer that they're selling from the distribution wholesaler stores that these contractors shop at. So again, we got the white, right? So P20, what's P20? P20 is going to be your Rude gray. So Rude Equipment or Ream Rude is a company. We got P15. P15 is champagne color. That's popularly used by Champion. So Champion's a manufacturer as well. So besides P15, got P09. So P09 is carrier gray. That's just also used by the brand Tempstar. So Tempstar or carrier gray is P09. P07. P07 is going to be your Train gray. So TRANE, Train gray or American Standard. That's the popular gray that you use for that. You got P06. P06 is another more of a champagne style color. That's your York brand. So York, I've also noticed that there's other brands out there that have a similar color to that. So if you're looking for a dark champagne or champagne color similar to York, that's going to be your color code. And then we got the P04. So P04, that's going to be your Amana gray or the Goodman gray. It's a nice, dark, very, very dark, rich gray. So I'll go back in reverse here. So there was the dark gray, and here's your next color code. Then here's your P07 color code. Here's your P09 color code, P15, P20, and then obviously standard white. So again, guys, thanks for watching today's training video. Real quick on paint codes. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you want to do custom colored painting on filter boxes for HVAC professionals, we do it. Again, I'll screen share one last time to close out the video. So again, whether it's straight through boxes, these are the support boxes. We also make right angle boxes. You can get them in standard white. I mean, you can even get them in galvanized with no powder coat whatsoever. But if you really want that sharp look, we obviously, per these upper two, we'll even do the custom logos for the contractors. But the whole point of this video is, hey, you want a custom color, you want it to match that install, look great with the equipment, we got it. So thanks for tuning in to another training video with Sales Management Solutions. Again, that is our custom paint codes from Ultravation. All right, get out there, stay comfortable. That's the whole point of indoor air comfort. Let's make sure your HVAC equipment looks good as well. And we'll talk to you guys again soon.